Hey guys, it's Joe from Jordan Bikes. Today we've got for sale this beautiful Yamaha R6R. Cracking little bikes are these. Don't start the red line till 16,000 RPM and they handle like they're on rails. It's 2009 on an 09 plate. It's done 15,930 miles and it's more or less just as it came from the factory. It's got some R&G protection on the frame there. It's got a tail tidy, but other than that, it's as it is. It's a lovely, lovely bike. Really been looked after, really clean. Show you the speedo there. Like I said, look at, there you go, 16,000 RPM red line starters. That they just screamed at these things. Real good handling bikes. Give it a quick start up for you. There you go. Looks fantastic in blue. But if it's not your colour, we've got a couple more in stock as well. We've got this 61 plate in black, and we've got the 58 plate in red and white there. So there you go, 3 R6s. If you want one, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes or just give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.